children. So previous class we have started chapter 4. What's the name of the chapter? Yes, simple equations. What is another name for simple equation? Yes, linear equation. So in that class we have seen equation, how the way we have created the equation, algebraic expressions. From the algebraic expressions we have created the equation. Then that equation, how we can change statement, the given statement into equation. Okay. So today we are going to learn the reverse. The reverse is convert the following equations into statement. You will be given equation. We have to frame the statement. Framing a statement is upon you. The way you can create, the different ways are there to create a statement. Okay. So the first question is, first equation is x minus 5 is equals to 9. X minus 5 is equals to 9. So this is an equation where you can see the operation. What is the operation here? Yes, it is subtraction. So you have to start from the operation. So how do you make a statement for this? Come on, think. How can we create a statement for this given equation? If you think a bit, you can get it. Yes, operation is subtraction. So the word which we can use for subtraction, we can use the word subtraction itself. There are another terms for subtraction. Which are the terms used for subtraction? Yes, subtraction word. For subtraction, we can use the words take away. Okay, use different words so that you can create a statement. Another word which we can use is difference. So using any one of these terms, you can create a statement. Okay, so if you use difference or if you use subtract, how do you make a statement? Come on, let's use the word subtract and create a statement. How? How can we create a statement? Using the word subtract. Okay, subtract. Subtract what? What? Subtract, yes, 5 from x. Very good. Gives 9 or is 9. So subtract. So first form, subtract 5 from x gives 9. This is one way using the word subtract. Okay. Now, how can we make a statement using the word take away? Instead of subtract, we are going to use take away. Take away means a subtract, remove. Okay. So how can we create a statement? Come on, start. How do you create a statement using the word take away? Yes, take away. Instead of subtract, we have to use the word take away or taking away. Okay. So take away or taking away. Take away. Okay. What should be taken away? What should be taken away? Yes. 5. Take away 5. From what? From x gives 9 or is equals to 9. Okay. Very good. Now the third way, using the term difference. Difference, another term for subtraction. How do you say it? When you use the word difference, how do you make the statement? Yes, the difference between. When we use the term difference, then we have to use difference between. Difference between what? Difference between which two numbers? X and difference between x and 5 is 9 or gives 9. So with the one equation we have created different forms of statement. So in the exam it's enough to create one statement, but I have shown the different ways of creating a statement using different terms for subtraction. First we use subtract, next we use take away, then we use difference. So different terms are used and created the statement for the equation x minus 5 is equals to 9. Okay. Now move on to next, second one. 5p is equals to 20. So when you get an equation, what we have to see is first check the operation. Okay. So here the operation given was subtraction. Now come to the next equation. Come on. 5p is equals to 20. So how do you create a statement for it? Check the operation. Come on, what is the operation here? Yes, very good. The operation is multiplication. 5p means 5 into p. Correct? So 5 into p equals to 20. 5p. So the operation used here is multiplication. So you have to use that operation, multiplication term, to create the statement. So for multiplication, what are the terms? Multiply is there. Then come on to tell me what are the other terms which can be used in place of multiply. Yes, product, correct? Product. Then another term in place of multiplication. Think well, you will get it. Another term. Exactly, times. Okay, so you can create a statement using the word multiply. You can create another statement using the word product. You can create another statement using the word times. So using multiply, how do we create? Yes, the multiplication of 5 and p is 20. Correct. The multiplication of 5 and p is 20. Okay. Now, how do you use product to form a statement? Come on, tell me. Yes, the product of, instead of multiplication, we have to change the multiplication to product. So, the product of 5 and p is 20. Okay. Now the last one, times. How do you use times? Yes. 5 times. When we use times, we have to say the number first. 5 times p gives 20. 5 times p is 20. 4 gives 20. Okay. So remember the words which we can use for different operation, and according to the word you can create the statement. Okay. Now third one. Third. 3n plus 7 is equals to 1. Okay. Check the operation. What is the operation? The main operation is, yes, addition. So addition. Add. Okay. For addition, another word is sum. Then another word is, yes, total. So So add, sum, total. So we have to start with the add. Okay. Or the addition of 7 and what is this? What do you call this? 3n. What do you call 3n? Yes, 3 times n. So the addition of 3 times n and 7 is 1. So the addition of number. Which number? 3 times n. That is the first number. And what is the second number? And 7. is 1. Same way we can say the sum. Same way. Instead of addition, what do you have to write? The sum of, just replace the word addition. Then we get the sum of. The sum of the same thing. 3 times n and 7 is 1. Okay. Now replace addition by the next word total. So what do you get? I am not going to write. What do you get? The total of 3 times n and 7 is 1. Okay. That is third one. Now fourth question. Fourth. So I am showing different types of questions with the operation. M by 5 minus 2 equal to 6. Okay, here again subtraction came. Subtraction came. So subtraction we already discussed. Subtract, take away, difference. Okay. Say with the take away. Say with take away. Yeah. Take away. Take away. When you start with take away, you have to say this number first. Take away. Yes, come on. 2. From what? What do you call this one? What do you call m by 5? M by 5 is 1 by 5th of m. 1 by 5 of m. So take away 2 from 1/5. 1/5 of m gives 6. Okay. Another way, when you start say with the difference, when you say with difference, you have to use the word between. The difference between what? 1 by 5th of m. 1/5 of m and what? And 2 is 6. Okay. So these are the ways in which we can convert an equation into statement form. Okay. I hope you understood. Now in exercise we have question that you can do it homework. Okay. Now, so this is the way we change equation into statement.